Pedders' range of Track Rider suspension packages are designed to improve the load carrying capacity, ride and visual appeal of the Nissan Patrol SUV. As a starting point, Level 1 features Pedders' premium coil and leaf springs. Whether you're exploring the city with your family or working hard, towing and carrying loads, Pedders has a coil and leaf spring solution to fit your Nissan Patrol. Track Rider coil springs are available in standard, raised and loaded raised height and are manufactured to ISO 9001 standards with an exacting tolerance of just plus or minus 2 millimetres at the loaded height of the spring. Track Rider leaf springs are also available in standard and loaded raised height and have variable load options. The raised height option features increased articulation. Plus, all Track Rider leaf springs are designed with interleaf anti-friction pads to decrease harshness and noise. Both Track Rider coil and Track Rider leaf springs are available for your Patrol's rear suspension setup. Once an appropriate coil and leaf spring combo has been fitted, it may be suitable to upgrade your shocks. Pedders' first offering, Track Rider gas shock absorbers. Featuring twin tube design with all-weather fluid and nitrogen gas charge. As well as a large 35mm bore and piston, Pedders' Track Rider gas shocks improve stability and ride comfort in all conditions. Perfect for daily driving and occasional off-road use. Plus, they're available in an easy fit option, complete with everything you need to kit out your Patrol. The next step is Pedders' Track Rider foam cell shock absorbers. This is the heavy-duty, high-performance solution for dual cabs that operate in tough conditions or frequently move heavy loads. Pedders' scientifically formulated foam cell technology eliminates shock fade in rugged conditions, meaning you can drive harder for longer. Featuring twin tube foam cell design and an extra large 40mm bore and piston, Pedders' Track Rider foam cell shocks are perfect for a range of driving needs. And they're also available in an easy fit option. The final level helps beef up your GVM or gross vehicle mass, which is vital for hauling bigger loads and carrying more weight. Pedders' GVM Plus suspension upgrade kit is typically stocked with shock absorbers, coil springs, leaf springs, U-bolts and selected bushes. You'll also receive GVM certification and increases to your payload, axle load capacity and GVM. GVM Plus kits increase safety and legal compliance in fleet vehicles, help avoid insurance or warranty issues, and in many cases bring your vehicle in line with strict government guidelines. Lock and load with Pedders' GVM Plus suspension upgrade kits. Finally, you can also upgrade your braking performance with Pedders' range of Track Rider brake rotors and brake pads.